Hello, Jay the Shark here. So, just arrived in Phuket. I got 3 days. Let's go check out what I can do in 3 days in Phuket. Cool.
So Jay, one of the things I get asked quite frequently is if I had 3 days in Phuket, what would I do? So today's video is all about your 3-day Phuket itinerary. Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay.
So Jay, they've landed in on the plane.
Who have?
Our people watching the video.
Have you?
And they've got 3 days to explore the best of what Phuket's got. So starting from the airport, what are we doing?
Go to the hotel, I'd imagine.
Hotel, check-in.
Make sure you book a transfer.
Yeah. Good idea, because some of the apps at the airport, they don't work. Things like Bolt and InDriver, they can't get you. Only Grab works, but Grab is more expensive.
Yeah, just ask your hotel to book a transfer.
Correct, or one of the many great drivers on the island that offer transfer services.
But the first thing I would do when I get here is go to my hotel so I can then get rid of the clothes I've been wearing.
Oh. You're staying at a nudist resort.
Yes, I'm going to get in.
I hear there's one in Rawai.
Is there?
You should go do a video on it.
I will do, no problem at all.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe I'll take Pet Dick with me.
That's for our OnlyFans channel.
Absolutely. Anyway, come on, let's do this. This is a serious video.
Okay, so checked in, they're in the hotel.
Can I just say, we were going to film this out in the sunshine with a beautiful backdrop, but it's too hot. It's too hot, so we've come here.
They've checked in, they're in the hotel, they're jet lagged, they're going to nap, right?
Hold on, we've got 3 days.
Yeah, so day one.
Okay, so day one. Have we landed in the morning? I just want to get...
Landed on the morning.
Landed in the morning, right. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to sleep tonight.
All right.
Jet lag, don't forget about jet lag. Just go straight into it.
Pick up one of those great Thai coffees. You'll be awake for 3 days.
Do you know what I would probably do?
Not one of the coffees here, though.
No, don't have the coffees here. They're awful.
Oh, my gosh.
The first thing I'd probably do, with only 3 days, I'd probably get my cultural stuff out the way first.
Rightio. So what's that look like, Jay?
So I'm going to go to the Big Buddha.
Oh.
Because the reason I'm going to go to the Big Buddha first is because the views from the Big Buddha, and it's serene and it's tranquil and it's peaceful. So, you've just had a long flight from wherever you come from and you've only got 3 days. I want that first one just to relax, get into it, slowly get into it.
So that first day, you probably should book a private driver so you can maximize your time without having to use transfer services. Right. And at Big Buddha, very, very hard to get taxis and transfer services.
Very true. But as you drive up the Big Buddha, also, there's a couple of nice restaurants that have got amazing views. You can also stop if you want to. Now, I'm not a big fan of this, but there are some elephant places you can stop at.
And ATVs.
And ATVs. If you're into that kind of stuff, you can probably do that as well in the first day because it's all in the same area. I'm trying to keep it area specific for my first day.
Day one, check into the hotel.
Yes.
Check. Go to Big Buddha. Check. What's next?
I'm going to then go, because at the bottom of the hill of Big Buddha and you turn left a little bit, you get down to Wat Chalong.
Wat Chalong. Tick.
Oh, do you not talk about the cultural history of Wat Chalong?
You should.
Wat Chalong is an amazing, amazing temple. It's one of the biggest temples in Phuket, and it's probably the most busiest temple with tourists because it is stunning and it is beautiful. The architect's stunning. In fact, I've done a whole video on it. You should go and watch it. Very good.
Now, Phuket is famous for its sunset, so we're going to hit up a sunset on the first day, right?
Oh, are we?
Yeah, we are.
Are we staying on the west coast?
And in Phuket, the best spot for a sunset, if you're on land, is...
West coast.
And Lem Prom Thep Cape.
Yeah, which is down here. Which is down the bottom of the island. So we're talking about being around here for Big Buddha and Karon area for Wat Chalong. So if you're in that area, it's probably a good idea if you've done Wat Chalong, drive down here and you can actually have a nice sunset meal. Correct. As well. There's a couple of restaurants on the hills that are very nice. Pick up some nice
seafood if you like. If you're not like that, you can pick up whatever you like. Watch the sunset. Sunset's done. I'm now heading back to the hotel.
Okay.
If you're the party type, you're going to hit up
Patong!
Bangla Road!
Let's go. Hello!
Edit.
Why? No, I didn't say anything wrong.
No. Tonight. Muay Thai fight tonight. World Championship fight. Anyway, so we're going to sleep. Day 2.
I'm still at Bangla Road, mate.
Yeah, I know.
I'm still partying.
Those of us who are old, we've gone to sleep, and now we're woken up to day 2.
Well, day 2, Shaun, is going to be the day I'm going to feel most refreshed. And I'm probably going to feel most active. And it's a day that I really want to get up early and go and do some proper exciting activities. So I'm going to book a 5-star Marine boat tour.
Oh, that was a great segue.
Thank you very much.
If you're not with 5-Star Marine, that's okay. But day 2 should be a boat day, island hopping day. Now, we say this though, because in case day 2 is a bad day, we can move it to day 3.
Absolutely.
Day 2 can swap with day 3.
Yes.
So we put it right there in the middle. and you don't want to land into an airport and go straight onto an airplane. It's not a great...
Sorry, you don't want to land at airport and go straight onto an airplane.
Straight onto a boat.
There you go.
Right.
There you go.
So day 2, we're going island hopping, and there's a lot of options.
Where would you go? We've done so many videos about this. Where would you go?
Yeah, actually, let's not even go into that. There are videos all over our channel and links in the description to go and watch some of the videos where you can find out what is family friendly, what are romantic tours. You might even...
PP versus James Bond.
There's all of that there, so go watch that. So day 2 is boat day. And I've come back to the pier. Maybe I got back to Sunset. Let's talk about somewhere nice for dinner. We want to do Thai. We want to do West Coast, and we want to go looking over the beautiful sunset. Why does it have to be
West Coast?
I think West Coast is nice. I'm gonna drop in a recommendation for Ban Rim Pa.
Of course you are.
I think it's a beautiful...
Hi, Sue.
We love Sue. Sue's a friend of ours, but the restaurant and the food is classically Thai. Very, very beautiful. A little bit expensive, I have to be honest there. There are other...
Not for sure. Now he's promoted it. 10% off.
There are other restaurant options, but if you're looking for that classical Thai food with a beautiful view right on the hill, out looking over the bay, I think that's a beautiful idea.
See, I'm going to disagree with you because I would go and eat on the East Coast, personally, because I'm on the East. So most of
he's a cheap Charlie. That's where he takes all his dates.
Yeah, that's very true. They don't go very well either. That's a whole other story. But my point being is you've got only a few days.
What restaurant?
Well, hold on. Let me explain why.
No, don't worry about the why. Drop the restaurant.
No, the boat tours...
They don't have a lot of time. They've got 3 days. The video's going to go for 2.
The boat tours come back to the East Coast, so you might as well stay on the East Coast rather than transferring right across. I'd go to Lam Hin Seafood.
Lam Hin Seafood's good, or you could take the little long-tail boat and go out to Phuket Thailand, or even
go on to the float restaurants.
What's the Bang Mad seafood restaurant out there as well?
Yep.
Those are good options.
No, they are. I think Lam Hin Seafood is a nice one. It kind of... The floating restaurants are great, but Lam Hin Seafood is a must.
So day 2, boat trip. And traditional Thai food.
Yes.
Tick.
Yes.
Rightio, we're now at day 3, Jay.
Right, okay, so I've got a couple of options for day 3. Day 3 can either be a chilled out day on the beach.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, with a beach massage and basically just doing nothing.
And if you've booked a West Coast hotel, you've got to take advantage of the beachfront nature of the hotel,
Absolutely.
Right?
And the West Coast is the place for the nice beaches.
West Coast, baby.
Absolutely. I mean, I love the East Coast, but the West Coast is where you get that tranquil, beautiful water.
Just to know, Jay and I both don't live on the West Coast.
No, we don't. But that's where I would do. And then I'd probably have a beach massage. I'm not into, personally, I don't like massages. I don't like people touching me. I don't know. But you can go there and have a nice beach. And you can also get some really nice food, some really good food on the beaches as well.
Yeah. So you've got some options day 3. Jay's given a good one. Nice beach day, swimming pool day, relaxing day, Thai massage day. Or if you'd like, you'd do something like go to one of the elephant sanctuaries on the island, one of the ethical elephant sanctuaries on the island.
Phuket Nature Reserve, one of our favourites.
Yes.
Big shout out to Cam.
And they even have a nice restaurant there as well.
They do. The food's really good, actually.
So you could do that half day morning or half day afternoon. So maybe you take the kids and go to the elephant sanctuary in the morning and then have an afternoon on the beach.
Yeah, or morning on the beach if you've got kids might be a bit cooler. Or late afternoon. Trust me, this time, or any time of year really, daytime, like lunchtime on the beach.
Well, you can keep talking, but they've got to get a flight, man. Day 3, they're flying out.
Are they flying out this evening?
Yeah, 3rd day, they're off.
Then I would go to the beach in the morning because you don't want to then quickly be all sandy and stuff.
Right,
and also, checkout's at 12, isn't it?
Okay, already we've worked it out, right?
Okay.
We need another day.
Do we?
So day 3, if you are flying back, you'll have maybe a beach day, maybe elephants, and then you're off to the airport. But let's just say, crazy idea.
Go on.
We do 4 days.
Wow. Hold on. Hold on.
Jay, I'll give you 4 days.
You're getting my phone, Sean. Hello, airline. Cancel my flight. I'm leaving tomorrow. How much? It's expensive. Sean will pay. Good. Done.
It's better to have that call.
Right, we got
beforehand.
We've got a 4th day, Sean.
Alrighty, so we've done day 3. It's beach day or elephant day.
Yes.
What is day 4?
Good. I hadn't thought about day 4, to be perfectly honest.
Really?
Yeah.
I think a Thai market's going to be in there.
Oh, do you know what?
You can't leave Thailand without going to a Thai market.
I got a better idea. Not just a Thai market. Why don't you do a cooking course and then you get cooking course and Thai market in the same thing?
See, now he's dropping down one of our most watched videos, which was a Thai cooking class you did.
Well, that's right. I did actually it was a walking tour around Phuket Town, the old Phuket Town, which is amazing. And I got to taste all the different foods from all the different cultures that kind of all amalgamated in Phuket years ago. That was yummy.
I think we should say this, is that in Phuket, pretty much every day of the week, there is a Thai market on.
Yep.
Either in the area you're staying, or there's things like the Naka weekend markets. That's weekend market. You have the Phuket Town walking street market.
There's also another one now in Phuket. There's a Phang Nga Road market now.
Yes, and then you also have a Chilva market.
Yes.
Then in most localities, they'll have markets rotating across
Little
every
fresh
other day.
markets, yeah.
Yes.
But a cooking course is really good because you get to go see the market and get your vegetables and stuff and your food you're going to cook.
I like the idea. It's a little bit about taking something home with you, so
Absolutely.
you can recreate some of that amazing Thai food you had on day 2.
You might get a free apron.
Very good.
Yeah.
But
What would you do?
if you've got kids and they need a little bit of action, Jay.
Oh, yes.
You got kids, I got kids.
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Well, there's lots of activities you can do with children, actually.
Rightio, list them out.
All right, there's rock climbing. There's indoor rock climbing. You can go horse riding. You can also go to a little selfie museum that's really cool. You can go to a trampoline park. You can go to one of the water parks. There's 3 water parks in Phuket.
So what do we have there? We have Andamanda, we have Blue Tree, and we have Splash Jungle.
Yeah, they're the 3 water parks.
And we'll recommend Blue Tree because Jay gets paid by them.
Not anymore. Used to.
Oh, we hate Blue Tree then.
No, we don't hate them. Blue Tree's not really a water park. It's more of a... No, but it's not. They call themselves a water park, but it's a beautiful lagoon. And trust me, it's a great place to go and hang out. And especially if you don't like to go to the sea, don't like salt water, but you still want to get that beach kind of feeling. So it has a massive kind of a man-made beach and then a huge lagoon, which is very, very cool. And it has a couple of slides.
If we've spoken so fast that you have no idea what to do on day 4, there'll be some links below in the description to all of these activities. Day 4 can be an activity day if you'd like to make it, then off to the airport and home. So that's your 3-day tour itinerary that turned into a 4th day. And if you're lucky enough to do more than that, feel free to contact us. We'll give you some ideas of what you can do here in Phuket.
Absolutely. It's a great place. Please come to Phuket and come and see us.
Yes. Like, comment, subscribe, drop it.
It's my bit.
Whatever you like. I'm dropping the mic. I'm out.
Wow,
Thank you,
look
Jay.
at you. You're a rapper. You're like Vanilla Ice. He's dropped the mic, but he did it gently because he knows how expensive they are. Good job, Shaun. Anyway, he's already said it. Subscribe, like, hit the little bell. Do it if you want to, but just share the video. Thanks, bye.